Hello, I'm Alessandro. I'm the export manager of Sarmax, and we are now going to demonstrate one of our brusher. In this case, the setting of this brusher includes one head for replicating the bandsaw effect. So it comes with one belt with variable speed, is an abrasive belt which leaves marks on the wood crosswise. And then we have two brushes. These two brushes are meant for long vein texturing, long vein distressing, to replicate, the rustic effect, to remove the soft fibers from the wood, leaving on top the crest, and giving to each single piece of wood a unique style. In this case, we have a setting for, with the two brushes, we have a setting for soft wood distressing. So the first brush is a metal brush specifically for soft wood, and the second brush is a Tinex brush for finishing. Okay, so now we are going to run a few pieces and we will see the results. So I start with the main switch, and then every single unit has a variable drive speed control. In this case, we will not use the Huron head, which is this head. We will only test the distressing brushes. So when we want to distress long vein, generally the first brush run clockwise, and the second brush, the Tinex one, runs counterclockwise. Okay, the number of brushes on board can vary, can change depending on the output, because every brush has a limited capacity of removal, obviously. So if a customer has the machine, for example, standalone, he can go with two brushes and he can load multiple pieces side to side. On the contrary, if the machine is an inline machine, for example, after a planer, and the speed is much higher, most likely we need more brushes on the machine, not two, maybe three or four, depending on the speed. Okay. So we just made a first pass. It was a light removal. So now we increase the penetration of the brushes by adjusting the hand wheel. And now we got a much deeper removal. Now we change speeds and we try with another soft wood. And this is the finishing we can get here. It's possible to see. As I told before, it's possible to run more pieces together and pass them together in the same time. So now we change space, and also the thickness has to be adjusted, because this piece has a different thickness than the previous one. So we try to set the machine manually. And let's try. And here the result is even much better than before, because this type of piece has larger vein, so it's really unique and beautiful, the result we can get. And now we try a third piece. Sorry, I have to